Life on Earth is amazing. How did it all start? The early Earth was a rough place. It wasn't anything like the Earth we know today. One idea about how life began is called panspermia. Panspermia says that the tiny parts needed for life came from space. These tiny parts are things like amino acids. Amino acids make proteins. Proteins are super important for life. Scientists think meteorites brought these tiny parts to Earth. Meteorites are space rocks that crash into planets. They hold amazing things. Inside meteorites, scientists have found all the tiny parts of DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA are like the instructions for life. These tiny parts weren't found in Earth's soil. This makes scientists think they came from space. Imagine the early Earth. It was always being hit by meteors and asteroids. These crashes were powerful, but they also brought the ingredients for life. Panspermia is a cool idea. It tells us that life on Earth might have come from space. It reminds us that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. The early Earth needed more than just tiny parts for life. It needed water. Water is super important for life as we know it. Where did all this water come from? Scientists believe comets and asteroids played a big part. These icy objects, leftovers from the early solar system, are like space delivery trucks. Comets especially have lots of water ice. As they traveled through space, some comets crashed into the early Earth. These crashes delivered tons of water. This water helped to make our oceans, lakes and rivers. Without these space deliveries, our planet might be dry and empty. But comets and asteroids brought more than just water. They also carried organic molecules. These are complicated parts that make up life. Organic molecules found in comets include amino acids, the tiny parts of proteins, and nucleobases, the tiny parts of DNA and RNA. These molecules, delivered by space crashes, made the early Earth's environment richer. Our moon, something we see in the night sky, plays a big part in life on Earth. We often forget how important it is, but the moon does a lot for us. One of the most important things it does is keep Earth's tilt steady. This tilt gives us our seasons. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would be wobbly. It would move all over the place. This would cause crazy and unpredictable weather changes. The seasons would be all mixed up. Temperatures would go up and down like crazy. These conditions would make it very hard for life to grow and do well. The moon's gravity acts like a helping hand. It keeps our planet's tilt steady. This makes sure we have a pretty steady climate with regular seasons. This has been really important for life on Earth to develop, from the first tiny life forms to the complicated world we see today. Section 4. Earth's Safety Bubble. Life on Earth is protected from the dangers of space by something amazing: Earth's magnetic field. This invisible shield made deep inside our planet acts like a safety bubble. It's all around us, stopping harmful radiation from the sun and further out in space. The sun is always sending out a stream of tiny charged particles called the solar wind. This solar wind would be very bad for life on Earth if it weren't for our magnetic field. The field acts like a giant magnet, pushing the solar wind around our planet. This stops the solar wind from taking away our atmosphere and hitting the surface with harmful radiation. But the magnetic field protects us from more than just the solar wind. It also protects us from cosmic rays. These are high-energy particles that come from outside our solar system. Cosmic rays can be even worse for life than the solar wind. Our magnetic field acts like a wall, pushing most cosmic rays away from Earth. Section 5. Looking for life beyond. Space is huge, and we want to explore it. Every year we learn more about space. We are still trying to understand our place in the universe. One of the biggest questions we ask is, are we alone? Looking for alien life is a big reason why we explore space. We are sending robots to faraway places. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are exploring Mars. They are looking for signs of life, now or in the past. These missions have already found interesting clues like signs of old liquid water and organic molecules on Mars. Our telescopes are getting better and better. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, is letting us look into the atmospheres of exoplanets. These are planets that go around other stars. By looking at the light passing through these atmospheres, we can look for biosignatures. Biosignatures are chemical signs that might show there is life. Looking for life beyond Earth shows how curious we are and how much we want to understand the universe. It's a journey that makes us wonder about all the possibilities out there.